Hi friends, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in subject data structure was abstract data type. Subscribe to my channel all purpose tutorials. So I already said abstract data type is other name for data structure. So other name for sorry other name for data structure. Abstract data type is a mathematical model of a data structure. It describes a container which holds a finite number of objects. Hmm. Abstract data type. So, a finite number of objects. So, it describes container which holds finite number of objects. A finite number of objects stored in abstract data type where the object may be associated through a given binary relationship. And abstract data type concern only with what the data is represented and not with how it will be concerned. So it doesn't want want implementation of that data type. It just want a what what the data is what the data is represented, whether it is hold the float amount of data or int amount of data. So the range, it is a thing about the range what the data is represented and not with how it will be considered. And next, it is a set of objects and operations. The abstract data type consists of object as well as operations like list, insert, delete, search, sort. So these are all the different type of operation that we can perform on the data. Abstract data type. So abstract data type consists of following three parts. First is consist of data, and second operation, and third error. Occur in display the error where is data describe the structure of data used in abstract data type. So, data describe the structure of data used in abstract data type, where as coming to the operation describe valid operation for the abstract data type. So here the data is about the structure of data. Operation is think about the valid operation for the abstract data type. And coming to the error, it describes how to deal with the errors that can occur. So these are the three parts of abstract data type consist. Coming to the advantage of abstract data type. Abstract data type reusable and answers robust data structure. There is a first point, and also it uses coding effort. So if use the concept of a abstract data type, it reduces the coding effort. And encapsulation ensures the data cannot be corrupt. So here we use the concept of encapsulation, which ensures the data cannot be corrupted, and abstract data type is based on principle of object oriented programming and software engineering. So the abstract data type is based on the principle of object oriented programming and software engineering. So this is about the advantage of abstract data type. Thanks for watching.